Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Ofe Nsala. Let's get straight into the video. I have a pot on the fire and into the pot I will add some beef, liver, tripe, and I'll be cooking the stockfish also together with the meat. So after adding it into the pot, I will season with chopped onion, some salt to taste, and seasoning cube. After that, I'll be adding some water, enough to cook the meat until soft and tender. I'll cover and allow to steam for 1 to 2 minutes before I'll then add in the stockfish head. The stockfish head is going to cook together with the meat until they are soft and tender. While the meat is on the fire, I'll be prepping other ingredients. Let's check. Meat is fully cooked now, so I will go in with smoked catfish, some pomo, crayfish powder, chili flakes or any dried pepper, blended calabash nutmeg, African calabash nutmeg. Then here is my thickener, which is cocoyam. I boiled and pounded it in my small mortar. Pound into a smooth paste. I'm adding this cocoyam and it will serve as a thickener for the soup. You can also use boiled yam to thicken your nsala soup. If this is your first time stopping by, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I'll be adding some seasoning cubes. Then the ogiri. Ogiri is a special seasoning paste that gives your nsala soup a unique taste, aroma, and makes it special. Now, I'll be adding enough water to cook the nsala. Nsala soup is also known as white soup. It is called white soup because you don't need any form of oil to make this soup. You don't use palm oil, neither do you use vegetable oil. It is plain and white. While the soup is cooking, I'll be stirring at intervals until the cocoyam paste is fully dissolved into the soup and begins to thicken the soup. You can make Ofe Nsala with any protein of your choice, meat, fish, or chicken. Ofe Nsala is a special delicacy from the southeastern part of Nigeria. Ofe Nsala is served in special occasions like traditional marriage or during a chieftaincy title. Ofe Nsala is easy to make and requires just a few ingredients. I'll be adding some leafy vegetables into this nsala soup. First of all, I'll be adding some uziza leaves. This is uziza leaf, shredded, washed, cleaned, and shredded. When it cooks for 1 minute, I'll then go in with some utazi leaf to spice it up. Uziza is pepper leaf while utazi is a bit slightly bitter. So it gives your nsala soup a unique taste, flavor, and aroma. This is nice. At this point, our nsala soup is almost ready. 1 more minute and we're done. After stirring now, I will go ahead and turn off the heat. Then we'll serve. Nsala soup can be paired with any swallow of your choice. Fufu, eba, semo, wheat, plantain fufu, any swallow of your choice. Today I'll be serving mine with fufu. If you like this Ofe Nsala recipe, try it out and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel for more easy food recipes. Don't forget to give me a like and share. Turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.